AUX R290 heat pump uses R290 refrigerant. Increase feed heat exchanger area, compressor displacement and fan blade area. Can operate at minus 25 degrees Celsius and reduce heating capacity decay. Achieve SCOP A++ through inverter system and save costs. Sealed metal electrical control box. Achieve even heat dissipation through internal fans. Cooling fins on the bottom. Compared with the traditional process, the temperature rise drops by 2 degrees Celsius. At the same time, it's isolated from the leaked refrigerant to prevent explosion. The detection sensor will emit an alarm. Multiple noise reduction, adding a sealed sound insulation cavity outside the compressor. Optimize the structure of fan blades and mesh cover to reduce wind resistance. Built-in sound insulation cotton in many places. The noise of the outdoor unit is as low as 35 dB 3 meters away. The side panel can be opened directly. Can be connected to backup power and solar panels. Also can be connected to water tanks, floor heating, radiators, fan coils, etc. Color screen remote controller with 18 languages. Can control 8 rooms. Real-time control of the opening, closing of the floor heating mixing valve. Water temperature changes within plus or minus 0.5 degrees Celsius. Support parallel operation of 8 outdoor units. Simultaneous operation by distributing hot water and heating equipment. Module rotation ensure the outdoor units are used for an even duration. If one outdoor unit fails, the other outdoor units can operate normally. Query faulty outdoor machine information and modify parameters through the remote monitoring system. The remote controller supports USB program refresh. Support parameter setting, power consumption query, holiday mode, etc. Efficient, energy-saving, and environmentally friendly R290 heat pump. Enjoying the beauty of nature. AI Thermal Series. Technology leads intelligent life.